Here is a video to introduce you a new kind of technology called magnetorheological dampers. We will explain you how it works and give you two different applications we can already find in the real life. Let's look at the physical properties of magnetorheological fluid, also called MR fluid. MR fluids are smart fluids made up with ferromagnetic particles in suspension in a carrier fluid, such as water or oil. The main characteristic of this fluid is its sensitivity to magnetic field. We can also consider that MR fluids are physically behaving like Newtonian fluid without magnetic field and like Bingham plastic liquid when a magnetic field is applied. Let's look now a bit closer at the behavior of the fluid when it is exposed to a magnetic field. In the picture 1, we can see the particles are homogeneously spread in the carrier fluid. Then we apply a magnetic field. The electric dipole moment of the particles will form aggregates of particles and align them in the same direction as the magnetic field, as you can see on picture 4. Finally, the magnetic field is removed, and particles go back to their initial state.
A good example of the state-of-the-art in this technology is the Manual shock absorber. These devices are still rather expensive and therefore applications are confined to more luxurious or high-performance automobiles. With such vehicle, with one touch, it is possible to adjust the quality of the ride. Sport car or luxury car or off-road rough terrain vehicle. The system can adapt either to the terrain or to the desire of the driver. This technology is used by Audi for the suspension of the new Audi TT. A magnetorheological fluid circulates in the shock absorber. It is comprised of synthetic oil containing microscopic magnetic particles. Each shock absorber in the vehicle contains an electromagnetic coil. When a current flows in the coil, a magnetic field is induced that regulates the viscosity of the fluid by exerting a force on the magnetic particles, thus softening or hardening the suspension. Some other advantages of this system are no hydraulics or pneumatics, quiet performance with low maintenance, easy installation even on pre-existing chassis, adaptable to all auto frameworks. In the automotive sector, some other European and American manufacturers have also adopted this technology, like Corvette, Cadillac or Ferrari. Here is a final example. MIT researchers have created a robot. It moves like an animal with 4 legs. The manual is used to cushion shock in the robot's knee. This robot can reach a speed of 45 km per hour. It is the maximum speed that Usain Bolt reached during 100 meters. To conclude, we hope that you will learn new things after this video. The magnetorheological damper is a new technology that we will hear more and more about in future years.